Found this weird old walkie-talkie in the woods.
You picked it up?
Yeah, LOL. Looked ancient.
Girl, that's how horror movies start.
It's dead anyway. No signal.
Toss it. Seriously.
Nah, it's kinda cool. Gonna keep it.
Bad idea.
Dude, it just made a crackle noise.
I told you.
Swear to God it said something.
Like what?
Couldn't make it out. Static and whispering.
Leave it outside.
It's in my room.
Bro, bad vibe city.
Wait, it just said my name.
No.
Jack. It's still off.
Smash it.
Wait, it's getting louder. Static rising.
Ditch it now.
It's saying something else.
What?
It said, I see you.
I'm driving to your house. Don't move.
It's humming now. Like a lullaby. Lights are flickering.
Stay calm. Hide.
I'm under my bed. It's getting cold.
Hold tight. On my way.
Wait, I hear footsteps upstairs.
Who else is home?